Do you think Bollywood is a soft target in case of like when someone wants to give an opinion, people just bounce on the Bollywood people instead of other people, with reference to what happened recently?
What happened recently?
Like the Yaqub Menon case, in which Salman Khan tweeted and then all the political parties attacked him.
See, I'll tell you what. Every person can have an opinion, should have an opinion, and that opinion should be respected. Maybe it can be with popular sentiments, cannot be popular. That doesn't really matter. I think it's a wonderful country that we live in, and the wonderful democracy that we live in. What Salman tweeted was very clear, what he said. And rightfully so, when he took all his tweets back, he realized that in the kind of world that we live in right now, with social media, with people reacting to it, and the point is that most of the people have reacted to the tweets without understanding them, and hence creating a lot of misunderstanding and propagating that. So he took those tweets back saying, you know, I think there's a lot of misunderstanding going around with my tweets. I take it back. And he also said that he respected the judiciary, and rightfully so. So yes, you know, many a times, the only problem with social media is that people react prematurely without understanding, and then the debates start whether this reaction on it is correct or not correct, and then issues suddenly blows up and becomes much larger. There are various interests of various parties which come on board and then try to divert attention from one place to another. I mean, this, whoever understands basic politics will know where all this is heading, and yes, you know, many a times they do become soft targets. So we as actors, as people from films, then shy away from giving our opinions out in public domain, thinking that yes, because you know your opinion is going to be on A side or B side. If it's on A side, the B side is going to attack you. If it's on B side, A side is going to attack you. So as an individual, you can't say, oh, I like it. It's like saying, नहीं मेरे को पिक्चर पसंद नहीं आई. It's okay. थोड़ी 50 लोग कैसे पसंद नहीं है तेरे पे के घर के बाहर झंडे लेके चले जाएंगे, ऐसा होता नहीं है ना. तो आई थिंक ओपिनियन ठीक है, एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू एक्सेप्ट एंड मूव ऑन. यू नो, एवरीवन हैज द राइट टू से व्हाट दे फील लाइक, एंड that's the beauty of India.
इतना तो बताया, समझे नहीं, इतना तो बताया उन्होंने.
Thank you.
I think my most embarrassing moment on television.
करके बताइए क्या? I thought he said that. I know. A media's request is a media's request. They love you so much.
इधर दो डायनामाइट है. एक मैं इनको दूंगा और दूसरा आपको मैं गिफ्ट करूंगा. लेकिन by far I realized कि it was the most embarrassing thing I've done on television. इस बात का एहसास जब कर रहा था तब नहीं हुआ कि मैं कितना छिछोरा था उस वक्त. लेकिन जब घर आया और गाड़ी में चला रहा था कि ये अभी घर जाके जिनीला को भी मुंह दिखाना है कि क्या करके आए हो. Though the show is not out, so she has no idea, but I just said, you know, I'm very sorry for what I did on Jack.
I should tell you this.
Yeah.
You were dancing ahead of me और मुझे तो पीछे का व्यू मिल रहा था. Amazing. जो ठुमके पीछे से लग रहे थे, I don't think so आगे से लग रहे होंगे. कसम से. I then understood why Jinila got married to you.
Who said हो जाए? आपका नाम क्या है? हाँ? कहाँ से आए आप? अंदर से. नहीं, I mean कौन से publication से? Helpline. So you definitely need a helpline.
Hello. Coming back to Pakistan, now that the film has been delayed, do you all think it will help the film do better business?
See, I'll tell you what. Whenever someone takes a call, I think it's not about egos. कि मैं आ रहा हूँ तो मैं shift नहीं होऊंगा. I think what you should respect is the film, because एक film को बनाने के लिए आपने एक साल लिया है, उसके पहले उसको script लिखने के लिए एक और साल. So every film is takes about 2 years to make, और इतनी सारी मेहनत उसमें सभी लोग करते हैं. और जब आप एक रिलीज डेट तय करते हो 6 महीने पहले कि मैं ये दिन पे आऊँगा, फिर डायनामिक्स हमेशा बदलते रहते हैं कि कोई और फिल्म आ रही है, फिर दूसरी फिल्म क्या बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, फिर स्क्रीन्स कितने मिल रहे हैं. इवेंचुअली यू हैव टू टेक अ कॉल दैट इज इन बेस्ट इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द फिल्म. ईगो की वजह से अगर आप आते हो, खुद का भी नुकसान होता है, दूसरे का भी नुकसान होता है. सो दैट्स नॉट द पॉइंट, राइट? इफ यू थिंक दैट 1 week डिले इज गोइंग टू बेनिफिट द फिल्म, दैट्स द ओनली. ऐसा थोड़ी कि नहीं यार अगले हफ्ते मेरा और ज़्यादा नुकसान होगा तो मैं अगले हफ्ते आऊँगा. आई मीन दिस इज नॉट द व्यू पॉइंट दैट एवरी प्रोड्यूसर लुक्स एट. बट आई एम ग्लैड दैट they were alert as producers to make that choice and that decision that yes, you know, if we push our film by 1 week, probably we'll get better screens, better timings, and which is important for a film, right? If you make a film, it's important for it to be in a time zone that is comfortable for the audience to come and watch.
Well, for Bangistan, when we were writing it, I wanted to go all out and take as much of a chance as possible, because I knew what we were trying to say at the end of it made a lot of sense. So even like the path to it was very edgy and very like maybe not, in terms of we had to think twice before writing some lines or writing some scenes about what the censor might think. But when we had the censor screening, they loved it. So there was almost like just a few, 1 or 2 words here and there which slipped through. But otherwise, they really liked the film and the message it had to say at the end of it.
It's extremely premature to talk about Great Grand Masti or Masti 3. मैं सिर्फ यही कहना चाहूँगा कि इसका प्लॉट इतना यूनिक है in terms of इसका core thought. मस्ती ग्रैंड मस्ती से बहुत अलग है. And yes, naughtiness, yes, that will be there. But plot इतना unique है, the humor itself will be a new thing. There is a change and there is a shift in the gear. Yes, we are absolutely staying away from anything that might seem vulgar. So we are staying, but yes, naughtiness for sure.
My question to Pulkit, firstly, all the best as a producer. How much was the contribution you shared with your online experts to create a buzz for the movie?
As a producer?
For the you shared with your online experts.
I have not produced a film, I have not produced babies, I have not produced anything so far.
As a producer, did you say, ma'am?
Yeah, as a producer.
Him?
Yeah.
Me?
He is not a producer of what, ma'am?
Of the movie I'm talking about.
Oh,
Of the movie? Yeah, I'm glad I chose you guys. So much I spent on these bombs. You know, actually, though I'm not the producer of the film, of course, but no, that's okay. But yeah, on the behalf of my producers, I would obviously comment on it. That social media is an ever-growing thing now, and it has become a part of our lifestyle. You wake up in the morning, before saying good morning to anybody else, you go on Twitter and you say good morning to the world. And everybody is
you're talking about yourself here. You can't generalize this.
And don't do that, man. Say good morning to other people first.
Yeah, but a lot of people do that. Like, I sneezed and they put it on Facebook. I just pooped and they put it on Facebook. So, that's not me. But
In general, don't put it on Instagram. I pooped.
Yeah. No, there's an app for that. When you poop, you put it on it. I don't use that app, but people do.
ऐप बस कर और आगे बोल.
So yeah, social media, digital media has become a big part of our life, and I think it's also made us more accessible to people, to our audience, where they can give us an instant feedback about what they're watching about of us, and what they like about us, what they don't like about us. And as soon as there's something that comes out, I think more than a theatrical run of a trailer or a TV run of a trailer, it's very important to put it on digital media right now, because that's an instant feedback you get, and you get to know how many people are actually liking your thing. You can't go to every theater and understand how the people are liking your theatrical, how the people are liking your theatrical on the your promo on the TV. You can't enter every home and find that, but every home tells you through social media how much they love or don't love the product that you're getting out. So I think it's a blessing in disguise, because there's sometimes cross.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.